Papa was working as a rail ministry, but everyone was, some sons were becoming doctors, some were becoming engineers, some were becoming this, that. Now, right now, husband and wife have a professional job, but they have a problem bringing out 2 children. They think, oh, bahut kharcha hoga in there. Isn't it? So reality is there. So the Maharaj Yudhishthira says that's the reality. This person is not a Brahman. He was a Kali, simply trying to let us know what effect he is going to bring. So, second part was? What was the second thing? The milk. So the second part is, you may remember, when you are very small, as a little daughter, anyone that gives you little bit bakshis, what does the mother do? She keeps that. किसी ने पैसे दिया छोटे से लड़की को, so she would keep it. So then Maharaj Yudhishthira explains the second part. Third part is lion. What does lion represent? The government. In those days, only the people who were earning easy money, in a sense, people who had like nice income, everything else, they were charged for taxation. Not everyone, not the farmers. Farmers, because they are already working so hard that they were not charged. To us, who is everything to the Pandavas? Krishna. Krishna is everything to us. So if Krishna has his mercy upon us, means anything makes no meaning. Everything is shunya. Shunyayat jagat sarvam Govinda Viraheta. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says that everything is zero shunya. Nothing makes any meaning without Govinda. So that is Pandavas. Everything to them is Krishna. So he said, we must go and see. Why don't you go and visit Dwarka and see what Krishna is doing? How Krishna is. Krishna kaise hai? Aap jao Dwarka. Aap Dwarka ja karke dekho if he is well. So when Maharaj Yudhishthira sent Arjun to Dwarka, Arjun went to Dwarka. He went at the door. So Maharaj Arjun spent 6 months in Dwarka, simply weeping and crying there. He did not return for 6 months. Then Maharaj Yudhishthira was disturbed. Of course, his brother did not return. The things are not going to right here. People are not doing truthful. There is a rain in an odd time. The harvest or the food grains that are to be produced from the farm are not being produced. According to scriptures, the reign of Maharaj Yudhishthira was such, within his rule, that it would rain from 10 o'clock evening to 12 o'clock midnight, and the rain would stop. So whole day, the sun would partially be there up to 10 o'clock morning. Everything will be clean up to 10 o'clock, not too much heat. Because the farmers should go early in the morning at 6 o'clock up to 10 o'clock, do their farming, then the sun would come out when everyone returned home. So in this way, even the nature was appreciating or cooperating with Maharaj Yudhishthira's rule. So everything started to happen at wrong time. The sun is too strong in the morning, like now. When we don't appreciate the nature, then nature does not appreciate us. So that's what is happening. So Maharaj Yudhishthira was not happy. Then Arjuna, Dharmatma Yudhishthira, my brother, he has not ordered me this way. So he was just about to go. Then the groups of ladies, which was like this. So Arjuna said, here he said, okay, I will protect you. But as he was about to take these queens back to Hastinapur to protect them, then a coward man attacked Arjuna and said, they are the property of Dwarka, you can't take them anywhere. Then Arjuna said, I am Gandhidhari, don't fight the battle with me. Anyway, they said, well, we may not be as strong as you, but you have to defeat us before you take anybody. So Arjuna fought the war and lost the war there. So, Yatra Yogeshwaro Krishna Yatra Partha Dhanurdhara Tatrasya Vijaya Bhutir Dhruva Nitirmatir Mama. Wherever there is Krishna, there is a victory for Arjuna. When there is no Krishna, he did not even care about Draupadi at that time. Draupadi, Subhadra, they left everything right there. They had to find their own way now. So they went towards the Himalayas. Krishna came to Himalayas and took the 5 Pandavas. And where are they supposed to go? To Krishna Loka. Yeah. So, but before that, Krishna wanted to show the destiny of everyone that died in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. So, they started from Hellish planet going down. Then they observed. को कहाँ छोड़ेंगे वो बता नहीं रहे थे। वो ये टूर में सब नर्वस थे पूरा, सब चिंतित थे कि कहीं यही तो नहीं छोड़ेंगे थे। तो वहां से फिर भगवान नरक होकर के ब्रह्मलोक के माध्यम से स्वर्ग चले गए। तो स्वर्ग में किसको दिखा? भीम ने दुर्योधन को दिखा। तो भगवान को टर्न करके बोले यहाँ तो नहीं रहना है हमको, इसी के साथ इतना बड़ा हंगामा हुआ और अब में जाकर के अगर यहीं रहना है तो फिर इतना बड़ा युद्ध क्यों रचा, हमको ही नहीं जाना, इससे अच्छा हस्तिनापुर ठीक है, कम से कम दुर्योधन का चेहरा तो नहीं दिखनी पड़ेगी ना अभी। सो तक भगवान बोलते नहीं नहीं तुमको रहना नहीं है, मैं तो बस तुमको टूर करवा रहा हूँ यहाँ पर, तुम एक टूरिस्ट हो अभी। तो वहां से भगवान उनको अपने धाम ले गए, अपने भक्त थे 5 पांडव, तो वहां से चले गए। फिर अब यहाँ पर शासन चालू हुआ किसका? महाराज परीक्षित। परीक्षित, द बिग नेम परीक्षित। So Maharaj Parikshit began to rule. So within that, शुरू में ही जब महाराज परीक्षित ने शासन शुरू किया, किससे चालू किया? 3 अश्वमेध यज्ञ से शुरू किया। सबसे पहले उन्होंने अश्वमेध यज्ञ शुरू किया। अश्वमेध यज्ञ के बाद में ब्राह्मणों की सलाह से और घूम फिर में बोले कि एक समय आपके पिता जो थे, आपके जो ग्रैंडफादर थे, वो विश्व योद्धा बने थे, विश्व विजयी बने थे। जब पांडव लोग ने यज्ञ किया था, जाकर के उनने भी संसार को शासन किया था, तो बोले कि हो सकता है अभी आपके जो पिता लोग का जाने के बाद कोई व्यक्ति इसका फायदा उठा ले, they take advantage of this and not accept your supremacy. So therefore Maharaj Parikshit get out from the kingdom and conquer all the kings of the planet now. Show them that you are still the Vishwa Vijay now. So Maharaj Parikshit, he goes out. But according to Bhagavad, Krishna did not like this. Krishna does not want his devotee to be Vishwa Vijay. What does Krishna wants his devotees to be? Vishwa Vijay or Indriya Vijay first? Indriya Vijay. तो भगवान को अच्छा नहीं लगा कि उनके भक्त इस संसार में आते हैं तो ये बड़ा बड़ा रोल मॉडल या बड़े बड़े उद्देश्य लेकर के, क्योंकि एक दिन खत्म होने वाला शरीर है, तो ये बड़े बड़े पीछे मत भागो। इसी जीवन में भगवान कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं? काम क्रोधो उद्वेगम, काम और क्रोध से जन्म लेने वाले शत्रु को नष्ट करे पहले। ये क्या है? कौन से शत्रु के बारे में बात करते हैं? काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह और मत्सर। भगवान चाहते हैं कि भक्त लोग इसके ऊपर विजय प्राप्त करें, विश्व विजय नहीं। तो थोड़ा सा भगवान को भी अच्छा नहीं लगा। हाँ, कृपाचार्य ने ये कहा था, क्योंकि कृपाचार्य अभी उनके गुरु थे, कुल गुरु बन गए थे, तो बोले कि आपको ये करनी चाहिए। भगवान नहीं नहीं नहीं, परीक्षित जैसे जो व्यक्ति भगवान ने जिनको डायरेक्ट सिलेक्ट किया है भक्ति के जीवन में, उनको ये विश्व विजय कोई भी बन सकता है, कोई राजा बन सकता है, ठीक है ना, परंतु इंद्रिय विजय हर व्यक्ति नहीं बन सकता है। तो महाराज युधिष्ठिर के लिए, परीक्षित महाराज के लिए भगवान और कुछ चाहते थे। तो दिस गुरु इज अ सेकंड अलार्म क्लॉक। जब भगवान नहीं हो पाते हैं, हृदय में बैठ करके भगवान नहीं जगा दिया और भगवान का बात नहीं सुन रहे आप, तो कब कौन आके जगाएगा? गुरु आके आपको जगाएगा। तो इसलिए गुरु तो प्रेजेंट होता है, प्रेजेंस के रूप में आपको एडवाइस करेगा, तो इस स्थिति में जीव जाग जाता है। तो यहाँ पर महाराज परीक्षित जब विश्व युद्ध बनने के लिए, विश्व विजय बनने के लिए घर से बाहर निकले, तो भगवान ने सोचा विश्व विजय तो नहीं, इंद्रिय विजय बनवाऊंगा आपको। तो इसके लिए जब बाहर चले गए, सबसे पहले महाराज परीक्षित जब राज्य के बैल जो धर्म का प्रतीक है, गाय इज मदर, द काउ इज मदर एंड द बुल्स आर फादर। Cow represent the motherly affection, है ना, but the bull represent the protection. So in this way, when Maharaj Parikshit comes out, then a person dressed in the dress of a great king, he was breaking the. Krishna does not favor the Janmajat Brahman. He would call those people Dvija Bandhu, the friend of the Brahmanas. But you have to have a karma of the Brahman. The goal of society, goal of Srila Prabhupada is to create the Brahmanas of karma also. So, what means she must give milk also. Isn't it? So the cow is respected for the milk also. Isn't it? So what is the point? So this is our target. This is our target. What we should desire is, we should have our own property, and if there is a will, there is a way. Then Krishna will provide, we should have our own Goshala. Those cows should be giving the milk, and all the devotees should be drinking the milk of those cows. So this is the target, the goal. Unless the goal is clear, nothing is clear. So here, Maharaj, Parikshit goes and sees this low-class Shudra, that he immediately, he challenges him. He said, I'm going to shoot you now. So he takes out his bow and arrow, and he says, I'm going to punish you for destroying the principle of dharma. So 4 legs of the bull. The bull is standing in the 4 legs. So this Kali, manifestation of Kali, has already broken 4 of them. Sorry, 3 of them. 3 पाव तोड़ करके बैठा हुआ था, और ये चौथा पाव को मार. And encouraged by the 5th principle, that is dana, charity. Dana nourishes the 4 other principles. So when Prabhupada makes any devotees that are initiated into build a big house, strong house, start without building up pillars. House without the pillars or strong foundation. And bhakti without the principles, how does it look? So therefore, first thing Prabhupada says, no meat eating. Now if you don't have a daya is very important. If you want to live, allow others to live also. Simple principle. Isn't it? If you don't allow somebody else to live, you think you have a right to live? No. So therefore Prabhupada says no meat eating. Meat eating means we are encouraging more slaughterhouses, more animals to be to something. It stretches. This sinful activity should stretch more and more. Just like we see those people who are used to, after say killing one person, stabbing one person, they have no problem stabbing somebody else because they already created that habit within them. एक जीव को हत्या करने के बाद घर में जा करके, शास्त्र कहती है एक जीव को हत्या करने के बाद, this is Krishna's, this is not Krishna's. Everything that does not belong to Krishna becomes problem for you. अगर शुरू करेंगे आप बोलेंगे नहीं ये सब संतान बच्चे भगवान के ही संतान है. अब everything in life connected to those children is going to bring Krishna to the picture because you started with Krishna. You say नहीं. 3 बेटे हैं, बड़ा बेटा मेरा है, छोटा बेटा पत्नी का है, मझला वाला भगवान का है. अब हो सकता है कि मझला वाला भगवान बहुत बढ़िया से देखभाल कर लेंगे, अब ये 2 बेटे तो फंस गए ना फिर. So the idea is everything belongs to Krishna. Honor is Krishna, but Krishna has given a little bit of that responsibility to me now, to do some service for him. So therefore, Maharaj Parikshit, sorry, I'm just getting into this big picture of Maharaj Parikshit because he is the hero of Bhagavatam now. So it's important to understand the hero now. So Maharaj Parikshit, he challenged, and ultimately the manifestation of Kali had to surrender to the purity of Maharaj Parikshit. Okay, he knew. So he said, Maharaj Parikshit, you are the saver of the world. You are protector of the world. Now you need to protect me also. I need some place to live. You can send me. Maharaj Parikshit says, इस धरती से चले जाना. I don't want you in this planet. Get out of here. He said, even I am the creation of this world, isn't it? If I was not needed in this world, then why did God create? The same God that created you also created me. Just as you have a right to live in this world, I have a right to live in this world. But the power of Maharaj Parikshit restricted him. He said, ultimately, you tell me where I can live. So कहा था? What was the space given to? Aspect of Lakshmi is 3. One is Lakshmi that creates peace. So Lakshmi along with Narayan brings peace. Lakshmi alone brings Kala. Just like Ravan, if he brought Ram along with Sita Devi, he had no problem. But he left Ram and brought Sita Devi, then that created a Kalaha, argument, jhagda. After that, the good relationship he had with with his wife Mandodari. Mandodari every day had to correct Ravan for everything. And other is death. Lakshmi can bring death, Lakshmi can bring argument, and Lakshmi can bring Sukha, Shanti and Samriddhi also. So Sukha, Shanti and Samriddhi only comes when? When there is Narayan. If Krishna is worshipped in the house, if Narayan is worshipped in the house, the Lakshmi that comes in simply brings peace and happiness. Now if Narayan is not worshipped, Lakshmi comes. इतना झगड़ा करा देंगे कि अंत में जाकर पति पत्नी बोले भगवान धन न चाहिए, शांति तो इस घर में, पत्नी को विवेक दो, ये कर देंगे फिर। तो ये होता है नारायण के बिना लक्ष्मी। और जब वही लक्ष्मी फिर बलात्कार का स्वरूप बन जाता है, फिर हुआ। दूसरी बात, ज्यादा पाप कर्म नहीं कर रहे घर में, परंतु नारायण विद्यमान नहीं है, तभी भी धन काल करवाएगी। और धन तो घर में आ गया, नारायण भी नहीं है। और तो अंत में जाकर के महाराज परीक्षित ने बोला कि जहां पर ये सोना और बहुत धन होता है नारायण के बिना, वहां जाकर के रह जाओ। और दूसरे स्थान वेश्यगिरी, जहां पर वेश्यगिरी होता है। इस संसार में अधिक से अधिक जो हत्याएं होती है वो स्त्री के कारण से होती है। जब एक ही स्कूल में 2 लड़के 1 लड़की, बस हो गया। अब एक का तो खत्म होना है, अब किसका होगा डिसाइड करो। 2 लोग का एक के साथ आसक्ति हो गई, अब एक को खत्म होना है। मदिरा का स्थान, जब व्यक्ति अति मदिरा पीता है तो वो अपने आप को भूल जाता है, सारा संसार भूल जाता है। इंडिया में मोस्ट ऑफ द फैमिली नहीं मानती, बोलते तुम छोड़ दो। अब नहीं छोड़ते तो फिर दोनों में नहीं चलता है, झगड़ा होना चालू करेगा। तो यहाँ क्या होता है कि मदिरा छोड़ दो, नहीं छोड़ूंगा, तो बोलता है तुम भी आकर पी लो फिर, चलो। अब ये दोनों के बीच में अंडरस्टैंडिंग बैठ गया। अब ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग ही सब कुछ को ले जाएगा। अगर मैं पागल होऊंगा तो तुम भी साथ में पागल हो जाएगा, हो गया। दिस इज अ सॉल्यूशन। Yes? So this is a solution. In India they try to stop. I know one family in Nepal that they were regularly drinking. I mean one man, he would regularly drink. Then wife was tired of telling him not to drink. He was not listening. He said, okay, you can drink. From tomorrow on, don't go to the bar. Just bring a few bottles and come to the home.